Children, in the previous classes we have learnt about numbers up to 4 digits. Let us see what you know about numbers. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and it is read as 1000. The greatest 4-digit number is 9999 and it is read as 9999. In today's class, we are going to learn about how to read and write large numbers. So today's topic is large numbers. To read and write large numbers, we use place value chart or Indian place value chart. In this place value chart, there are 3 periods, that is ones, thousands and lakhs. And these periods consist of different number of places. See, in ones periods, there are 3 places, that is ones, tens and hundreds. In thousands period, there are 2 places, that is 1000 and 10,000. In lakhs periods, there are also 2 places, that is lakhs and 10 lakhs.
Start.
Now let us understand the place value chart with the help of an example. Let us take an example 7 3 1 4 6 8. And we have to write this number in words. So how will we do, children? We will start filling digits from right in place value chart. That is 8, 6, 4, 1, 3 and 7, which makes it 7 lakhs 31,468. That is 7,31,468.
Start.
Now children, let us take another example, that is 40387. As told you before, we will start filling digits from the right. Let's start 7 8 3 0 4, which makes it 40,387. Now children, let us learn how to write a number name in figures. Let us take an example 2,45,709 and we have to write this number name in figures. Let us see how do we proceed. First of all, in step 1, we will make 3 periods, that is ones, thousand and lakhs. In step 2, we will fill all parts in the given places. Now start 2 lakh. So we will fill 0, 2 because there is nothing in the place of 10 lakh. Moving on the 1000 periods, it is given that 45,000. So we will fill 4, 5. Further moving to ones period, it is given that 709. So we will fill in place of 100, 7. And here it is given 9. Tens place is missing. So we will fill 0 in place of tens. In place of ones, we will fill 9. Now if the number begins with 0, drop it by writing number in figure. So the required number is 2, 4, 5, 7, 0, 9. Children, we will put commas after every periods. The number easily. Now children, moving to the next topic, that is expanded form. Expanded form means expansion of a number, means writing the place values of the different digits of the numbers and then adding them.
Start.
Now children, let us take an example for better understanding of expanded form. Example is 73,453 and we have to write this number in expanded form.
Start.
Children, now see how will we proceed. Firstly, we will start from the left by taking first digit, that is 7.
Start.
Now count number of digits after 7, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will put 4 zeros after 7. Now making a plus sign, we will move further and the next digit is 3. So here write down 3 and count the digits after 3, that is 1, 2, 3. So we will put 3 zeros after 3. Now again making a plus sign, we will move further and the next digit is 4. And how many digits after 4? Only 2. So we will put 2 zeros after 4. Again making a sign of plus, we will move further and the next digit is 5. And how many digits after 5? Only 1. So we will put 1 0. Now moving further, there is only 3. So we will write 3 alone because there is no digits after 3.
Start.
Now children, let's learn
Start.
how to convert expanded form in short form. For example, if we have to write the given expanded form in short form, firstly we will mention the place values.
Start.
Now moving back to the expanded form, starting with 7.
Start.
The place value of 7 is 1 lakh. So we will write 7 in place of lakh. Moving further, the place value of 6 is 10,000.
Start.
Now we will put 6 in the place of 10,000. Moving further, the place value of 2 is 1000. So we will write 2 in the place of 1000. Moving further, the place value of 1 is 100. So we will write 1 in the place of 100. Children, see here the tens place is empty. So we will write 0 in the place of tens. And here 4 is in the ones place. So we will write 4 in the ones place. So our required answer is 7,62,104. I hope you enjoyed the today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.